Hello and welcome back to my another tutorial. In this tutorial I am going to share with you how to turn on developer option in your Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra. So let's take a look how to do that. You might be recently bought this Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra and you might be looking for how to turn on developer option. In order to do that, it's really very easy and simple. You need to click in your Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra settings section. After click over there, you need to scroll all the way down and then you will find there something say about phone. After click over about phone, you will find there something say software information. After click over software information, you will see skin appear just like this. You will find there something say build number. So here you have to press 7 times to turn on developer options. Now it's saying to allow developer setting. These settings are intended for developer use only. This can cause your device and the applications on the break or invasive. So you're going to click here OK. Now you can see I have successfully turned on developer option. Now if I go back in my phone settings section and then if I scroll all the way down, and then we'll see there's going to be appear developer option. So within this simple way you can easily turn on developer option in your Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra. So that's for now. Thanks for watching my video. See you next one. Peace.